Welcome back to Journey to Novelist. This is the Camp NaNoWriMo April 2022 sprints. We are on day 9. So today's sprint that we are going to start with is to write a scene where your character moves from your normal safe world into the new and unknown world through some sort of decisive action. Now, this action might be a very small action. It might be simply the signing of something, or it could be a big journey, a big production, a ritual or something. But we need this action to be something that there would be a consequence for them to turn back after this. And you need to know what that is, and it's good if you can actually include that as part of the scene. So you might want to try that. I'm going to put 4 minutes on the clock, and we're going to use this to start writing this transition scene from Act 1 into Act 2. So 4 minutes on the clock, and you can start now. Two minutes remaining. One minute remaining. And that's time. So we've gotten a start on this transition scene. This is a very important scene for your story. It's the point of no return, as some books on plotting and structure will call it. And it is the point where your character cannot go back to their safe world. And that needs to be very obvious to your readers and maybe even to your characters. So let's move on to our second sprint. And this is where we want to go ahead and clarify those goals and motivations surrounding this choice for your character, rather than some other choice that maybe could have been made. So this just gives you a way to expand the scene. For right now, whenever you go into revisions, all of this might change, but this will give you a good grounding in why you're choosing this method, or why your character is choosing this path to follow. So we have 4 minutes on our clock, and our time starts now. Two minutes remaining. One minute remaining. And that's time. So this is the transition scene that you've been working on. And we've moved into Act 2. You might need to revise some of your previous scenes if you found some alternatives that could have worked for your character. So you have a lot of things you could continue to work on today. If you are aiming for that 50,000 words for your camp goal, then you need to hit 15,003 words today. And come back tomorrow for day 10 of our sprints and exercises.